Hey out there! We here at EM-Wave are excited to introduce two models designed to support in-building distributed antenna systems. Our model number is EM-B40004 and EM-B40005. Both models provide in-building wireless coverage for 700, 800, 900 MHz LMR and all LTE bands in the 698 to 2700 MHz range. They perform with excellent VSWR matching with or without conductive ground plane installation. Now, a unique optional twist lock installation bracket is available. There it is, twist and lock, as per the model number on the screen. We invite you to visit our website to watch our twist lock bracket installation video. Now, regarding application, here are some ways that our products will meet or exceed your requirements. Where the macro cellular infrastructure is not able to penetrate, the deployment of an amplified distributed antenna system will provide wireless coverage inside buildings and structures. Secondly, where wireless coverage is required or preferred to be omnidirectional, our products are capable of covering the entire 360-degree azimuth area around the antenna installation location. And when you need to meet plenum-grade building code requirements, our products provide plenum-rated feed cable as a standard feature. And a fourth reason that we can meet or exceed your expectations, for versatile installations, our products are typically ceiling-mounted in multi-level apartment buildings, offices, hotels, hospitals, and public garages, either above or below ground. So you're probably wondering, what's the difference between two models? To look at them, they look the same. But the basic difference between the two models is the PIM certification. The EM-B40004 is not PIM rated, whereas the EM-B40005 is both PIM rated and 100% tested during the manufacturing process. What is PIM and what does it mean to you? Well, the acronym PIM stands for passive intermodulation. It refers to the nonlinear characteristics of various passive components in the transmitting system, such as filters and couplers and voltage surge protectors, cables, connectors, and antennas. In summary, PIM introduces noise into the system, which reduces system capacity and data transmission speed. Alright, by this time you may be wondering, which model should I choose? Well, remember, always consider your application requirements and your budget before placing your order. Well, I don't have any issues with passive intermodulation. Well, then choose model EM-B40004. It's our non-PIM rated antenna. It provides the lowest cost in the industry for non-PIM requirement installations. This model is typically used for LMR 700 and 800 public safety applications to lower the cost of the installation while providing 700 and 800 MHz coverage required by revised building codes. Now, on the other hand, if you are having problems with passive intermodulation, choosing the EM-B40005 PIM-rated antenna permits the use of the product where PIM rating is required by the wireless carriers, such as Verizon and AT&T, providing noise-free, high data rate service to their subscribers. PIM rating is specified at -150 dBc and is capable of achieving -153 dBc for enhanced specification requirements. Alright, we all know there's a ton of antenna products out there. So why would you want to choose EM-Wave for your IDAS products? Here's some reasons, and they're good ones. First of all, is quality. We have no desire to compete with low-quality, low-cost manufacturing. EM-Wave has established itself by providing high-quality products to the entire wireless industry. Secondly, value. You don't have money to throw away. Our goal is to always provide our customers with a low-cost, high-quality product. And third but not last, service. We're here to back you up. EM-Wave provides a 2-year limited warranty and fully supports the product specifications and the performance if you install it for the intended purpose. Alright, maybe this video has come to an end, but it's a new beginning for you. Don't go by what I'm telling you. Try it. What do you have to lose? All you have to do is contact us either by email, visit our website, or call us. We want to talk to you and we want to prove what I've just said.